Hi friends, we are discuss about UGC NET previous paper December 2006 communication part. Which one of the following can be termed as verbal communication? Options: Professor Sharma delivered the lecture in the classroom. Option B: signal at the crossroad changed from green to orange. Option C: the child was crying to attract the attention of the mother. Option D: Deepak wrote a letter for leave application. Termed as verbal communication में option A is correct answer. Professor Sharma delivered the lecture in the classroom is correct answer. Next question. Which is the 24 hours English business news channel in India? GK bit. GK question. G News, NDTV 24/7, CNBC, India News. 24 hours English business news channel in India is the CNBC. Option C is correct answer. Next question. Consider the following statements in communication. 1. Hema Malini is the chairperson of the Children's Film Society India. Next, Yash Chopra is the chairman of the Central Board of Film Certification of India. Option 3. Sharmila Tagore is the chairperson of National Film Development Corporation. Option 4. Dilip Kumar, Raj Kapoor and Preeti Zinta have all been recipients of Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Which of the statements given above are correct? देखिए ये सभी ऑप्शंस देखा है ना, इसका ऑप्शंस कौन सा करेक्ट है? ऑप्शन 2 and 3 इज करेक्ट आंसर. इसका मतलब एस चोपड़ा इज द चेयरमैन ऑफ द सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ फिल्म सर्टिफिकेशन ऑफ इंडिया एट द टाइम ऑफ 2006. शर्मिला टैगोर इज द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द नेशनल फिल्म डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन एट द टाइम ऑफ 2006. ये 2006 का पेपर है, करंट अफेयर्स है, जीके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? N. Ram, The Hindu, Barkha Dutt, G News, Pranay Roy, NDTV 24/7, Prabhu Chawla, Aaj Tak. Option B is correct, मतलब it's not correct matched. Barkha Dutt, G News का Barkha Dutt नहीं है. N. Ram हिंदू का, The हिंदू का, प्रणय रॉय NDTV 24/7 का है, प्रभु चावला आज तक है. ये 3 करेक्ट है, बी इज नॉट करेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बिकॉज यू डिजर्व टू नो इज द पंचलाइन यूज्ड बाय हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स का. बिकॉज यू डिजर्व टू नो, बिकॉज यू डिजर्व टू नो इज पंचलाइन हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स का. ये रीजनिंग बिट देखिए. इन द सीक्वेंस ऑफ नंबर्स 8, 24, 12, x, 18, 54, द मिसिंग नंबर x इज डैश. ये क्या है? 8 इंटू 3 24, 24/2 12, 12 इंटू 3 36, 36/2 18, 18 इंटू 3 54. इसका मतलब x का प्लेस में 36. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट आंसर. ये रीजनिंग देखिए. द लेटर्स इन द फर्स्ट सेट हैव सर्टेन रिलेशनशिप. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस रिलेशनशिप व्हाट इज द राइट चॉइस फॉर द सेकंड सेट? AST BRU. G के बाद B है, R के बाद S है, T के बाद U. इसका मतलब ये दोनों सेट का हिसाब से नेक्स्ट सेट देखिए NQV. N के बाद क्या होता है? वो 2 है A एंड D में. लेकिन Q से पहले क्या होता है? P, OP, VW. इज करेक्ट आंसर D. ऑप्शन D इज करेक्ट आंसर. ये रीजनिंग देखिए. इन ए सर्टेन कोड PAN इज रिटन एज 31 एंड PAR एज 35. इन दिस कोड PAT इज रिटन एज कितना है? P फॉर 16 है. उसका कोडिंग देखेंगे तो ए का 1 है, एन का 14 है, टोटल 31 है, पी आर का 35 है। इसका मतलब पी ए टी का 37 आ रहा है। ओके, साइकोलॉजी बिट्स देखेंगे। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज कंप्लीटली नॉन सेंसिकल? ऑप्शन ए, ही वॉज ए बैचलर बट ही मैरिड रिसेंटली। ऑप्शन बी, he is a bachelor but he married recently. Option C, when he married he was not a bachelor. Option D, when he was a bachelor he was not married. Option B is correct, मतलब completely non-sensical. He is a bachelor but he married recently. Next question, which of the following statements are mutually contradictory? Options 1, all flowers are not fragrant. Option 2, most flowers are not fragrant. Option 3, none of the flowers is fragrant. Option 4, most flowers are fragrant. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Option 3 and 4 is correct. None of the flowers is fragrant. Most flowers are fragrant. Next question, which of the following statements say the same thing? I am a teacher, said by Arvind. I am a teacher, said by Binod. My son is a teacher, said by Binod's father. My brother is a teacher, said by Binod's sister. My brother is a teacher, said by Binod's only sister. My sole enemy is a teacher, said by Binod's only enemy. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. 2, 3, 4, 5. Option B, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the same things. Statements say the same thing. I am a teacher, said by Binod. My son is teacher, said by Binod's father. My brother is a teacher, said by Binod's sister. My brother is teacher, said by Binod's only sister. My sole enemy is a teacher, said by Binod's only enemy. ये विनोद का है। 2, 3, 4, 5 is correct answer. Next question, which of the following are correct ways of arguing? There can be no second husband without a second wife. Option 2, Anil is a friend of Bob. Bob is a friend of Raj. Hence Anil is a friend of Raj. Option 3, A is equal to B. B is equal to C. Hence A is equal to C. If everyone is a Option 4 is, if everyone is a liar, then we cannot prove it. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. 3 and 4 is correct. A is equal to B, B is equal to C, hence A is equal to C is correct answer. If everyone is a liar, then we cannot prove it. It is also right. 3 and 4 is correct answer. Next question, which of the following statements are always false? Option 1, the sun will not rise in the east someday. Always false. Option 2, a wooden table is not a table. It is also false. Option 3, Delhi city will be drowned underwater. No, it is also false. Option 4, cars run on water as fuel. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. 1, 3 and 4 is correct answer. Always false. A wooden table is not a table. Okay, thank you friends.